Well, so I'm Nishant Singh Rana, and I'm the founder and CEO of Vyorius, and we're basically from India. What we do is that we basically create the back-end digital infrastructure for any unmanned mobile robotic system to operate in more of a B2B fashion. So we are targeting democratizing robotic adoption for any enterprise out there. Well, the main reason for us to be very interested in taking part in the LIF program was the fact that we always had a global focus, and UK was basically one of the biggest market that we were looking at. Already a lot of things happening in the robotics and autonomous space, so we basically wanted to be here, but we are looking for some kind of a soft landing where we can find proper contacts, warm contacts, investor access, and I guess this program essentially solved all of that for us. So that is why. It's pretty amazing. I mean, all the people that we have been able to meet. So we basically traveled to 4 different places, got to meet people from universities to investors to companies, and that basically provided great exposure in order to understand how exactly you can move forward. And I think when I go back, I'm definitely going to be utilizing the contacts and moving from there on. So that was a great help. But mentorships and sessions, all of that actually helped in gaining some understanding about what we were working on, because we sort of work in silos, and having other people tell us exactly what we need to hear helps us. Absolutely, yes. I would definitely recommend the LIF program for any other entrepreneur who would want to access the UK market and want to understand a bit more. I mean, the mentors are amazing, so I think there's a huge value that can actually be gained from this program, and it's agnostic of where you are coming or what you're building. It's more about the community and the network that the program provides you. Well, that's an interesting question. So we basically want to become sort of the layer for anything that is unmanned systems and that manages all around. And hopefully, if you're able to do that, you might see us as being the AWS of unmanned robotic operations all along. So we have global ambitions, and we basically want to manage all the systems for you. So let's see.